Good freaking morning, guys. It's Allie, and I am in a super duper amazing mood. So today is Thursday. Yep, today is Thursday, and I am doing a beach day with some of my best friends. Oh my goodness. I just woke up and you can see where I was sleeping. That's awkward. If you watched the first video in this little series I'm doing, you'll know that I got my hair done, and this is what it looks like now. This is the back. That's the back. So yeah, that's why I'm in a super good mood, because I just took it out of my bun. And yeah, so today we are going to the beach. My friend Jade is picking me up at 9 o'clock, and it is currently 8:30. So I'm just like cleaning my room and making my bed and stuff, you know, all that. And then I'm going to get dressed and packed up for the beach, and she has some stuff she has to do, so I said I would go along with her. And then we're gonna go to the beach and meet Sophie and Amber there. So yeah, okay, I'll see you guys when I'm with Jade. Hey guys, here with Jade. Oh god, it's such an awkward angle. Hi. They say, hey bitches. Hey. We're at the Starbucks drive-thru.
Yeah, we are.
We're up next.
Hey, wait, look like a child.
So
She's a different color today.
she is.
Oh, thank you.
This is my drink. It's pretty. Oh my god, that's scared me.
Ew.
What?
I had a bite of, like, it was still dry, the fruit.
Why is that stoplight like
Me.
Tell all of your friends that I'm great, you maniac.
We're now at Jade's house, and she's making sure she has an extra mask for me because I forgot mine.
I should probably not.
Yeah, so basically Amber tried texting Sophie, and we don't think she's awake, but she just called her and said she didn't answer, so. She said homegirl just woke up. Alright, Sophie, get your ass going. We gotta go to the beach. Hey y'all. We just got back from Trader Joe's,
Yes.
so we're showing all the food we're bringing to the beach.
So, my mom got this for me yesterday. From home that I brought 2 blueberry lemonades. I have a bubbly sparkling water. It's the, what is it? The blackberry one? And then I'm really excited to try this one. The buy drinks are my
that
favorite.
one looks really pretty.
Yeah, it's like a strawberry lemonade. I have this Trader Joe's snack mix. And then we just got some chips. And we got some fruit. And we're actually gonna go to Tops and we're gonna get ice. We just got some lunch stuff. So Allie got a grilled pesto chicken wrap, which I'm excited
so
to
excited.
see. And then we got some buffalo chicken
Chicken
dip.
dip. And then they got some salads for lunch.
We're all stocked up and ready to go.
We really
it's just
are.
a matter of time now. Where'd you get your stuff?
This is from PacSun. Can't really see them, but they're neon.
Oh yes, I love those.
Cute.
Strapless orange with my cheetah print bottoms.
Watermelon sugar high.
Hi. Hey y'all. Jade is going around the car. We just stopped at Tops, got some ice for the cooler. So we're gonna head over to the beach and yeah, see you when we get there. So update time. The beach is fucking closed, and so now we have to go back, like what, 20 minutes?
And then watch them be like at max capacity or some shit.
Oh, there's Subi! We're here with everyone.
Hey. Hi. Hey.
We're gonna hoe bags.
Tragic, isn't it? Pretty pissed off about it. This is how you would look.
Gosh.
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be changing nothing on you. No, you, babe. No, you.
Yeah, we've just been chillaxing. I'm gonna chillaxing outside of the school with a couple of kids who are up in the woods trying to make trouble in my neighborhood.
And a couple of guys.
We're talking, catching up, and we're about to swim soon, and we're just tanning. Oh, we need to show you everyone's my swimsuit.
Oh, check
This is Sophie's
Target.
from Target and Amber's.
Maybe I don't remember where I ordered this off of.
And then Jade's.
This is some random site that I got a free bikini. This is from She.
Mine's like only a little bit bigger. Why do we use it?
You ready, guys?
Everybody's talking about
There's a Take. Update time. Okay, so we walked a little ways to like a little what's it called? Jet out reef thing. I don't know. Took some pictures.
And then we got kicked off.
And then we got kicked off because you're not supposed to like wade or swim. Then there were some boys
They're so cute.
that were like, they're like, oh, can we take a picture with you?
Added our snap and
then they were like
out with us
lingering
after, so
for a while.
We literally just kept taking pictures. We were like, okay.
Like waiting for them to leave because they were from a Grammy school. So yeah, now we're probably gonna pack up soon after like eating snacks and editing some photos. So I will probably see you at home.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hasta la vista. I'm gonna say goodbye to you.
Oh, that's why you're gonna do it?